Got it here, next level coin purse holder. So there is your coins over here. You just open it, you can put some and easy put them in, easy to take it out. And then it closes this way with the buckle and it can fit your pocket super easy. But also it's a color club self-defense tool. Pretty awesome, right? Next I got it here, miniature like a pick to take out splinters and stuff like that. A little tool that can go on your keychain. You see, it is quite thick but quite stubby. If you need to take out a splinter, easy. That is such a cool miniature tool for your keychain. And as you can see, it looks like a pineapple. Beautiful. That is a cool keychain gadget for sure. I love the color to it. Got it here, EOS Knox, limited to 200 pieces. Beautiful. Little hatchet. I don't even know what would you use it for. I guess kind of like a combat tool because it's quite small. And as you can see, you can take this apart, all the screws, and then you can hold it in your hand, just like a brass knuckle type of thing, or a little hatchet. It's beautiful. 85 out of 200. I like it. Feels good in my hand. Next gadget, I got a here lid outfitter solution, and this is a knife bit that you put it to the hole or whatever. You can even put it as your keychain holder, and it's a little like a rocket, kind of like a vintage. There is a EOS logo on it, and then you can take it off and put different string on. Beautiful. That thing is between $50 to $200. Got it here, mini keychain flashlight. Looks like a little bullet. So that's how you turn it on and off. Super light, but those flashlights are super bright. And then you just twist it and it should be water resistant. That's how you charge it. Super unique. So very tiny, but pretty bright and powerful. Looks like it's not charged. So I have to charge it up, but super unique flashlight. This side here, credit card size knife. That's kind of hilarious. The only problem with that, it will not fit your wallet because it's quite thick. But yeah, it's OTF, auto font, not automatic, just slide. That is a beast. It's so thick, it's kind of fun. Definitely will open up and break up boxes. Next, I got it here, diamond sharpener, credit card size wash stone. So this is a knife sharpener, and I never seen such a skinny knife sharpener that can fit your wallet easily. So you can sharpen up your knife anywhere. So there's a little instruction about it. Super cool. Next right here, we got OTF brass knuckle knife, $35. I seen those things a really expensive one, customs, but this one is probably the cheapest. My fingers barely fit in there. That is hilarious. What do you guys think? Yeah, that's quite fun. But yeah, the cheap materials wiggling pretty good. That's why it's only $35 and also made in China. New CRT maintenance tool 2022. So bottle opener, this is a knife maintenance tool. So it opens like that, but you can use it for other things by just plugging it in different screwdriver bit. And then there's a second one. Boom. That's quite fun. And also there's a edge like sharpener, knife sharpener. And a little like a pry bar flat head screwdriver. Beautiful tool, I like that. Next I got it here, benchmark belt buckle knife. That is super unique. You don't see that very often, but yeah, so it looks like you can put on any kind of belt. It just comes off, locks in. Feels like a little bit cheap. It is a cheap one, but Benchmark have made some good stuff. Check this out, made in China. Very tiny little knife, that's for sure. So looks like it's a buck lock. Interesting. Let's see how it locks up. Ooh, it locks in so well. Next, I got it here primer. So this is pry bar bottle opener, multi-range. I will never use that multi-range. I don't know why they make them. And a little carabiner. That tool kind of seems to be quite cheap. That little piece doesn't open that well. I guess a pry bar and a bottle opener. Very unique. Artist cutlery. This is like a Ballison multi-tool out of side butterfly knife. You see it? It's automatic. That's why it's like a little butterfly knife. Multi-tool, so that way it's legal everywhere. I guess you could order it somewhere a knife, or you could just open it this way and it's not automatic. Isn't it cool? And then it doesn't. Ooh, look! No way! That's kind of funky, to where it's like butterfly closes, like out of sight. Then you can open it, lock it in, press it, boom. That is funny. Or you just open it and then close it. Another CRKT Campano. So let's see what's about. Oh yeah, that's another little carabiner knife. I really do think this carabiner is very useful for so many things. You can even put it on your keys. And how does this work? I guess you gotta pull it this way. Wow, it kind of locks over here. You can hold it this way. Strange. Or you can open it all the way and hold it this way. Wow, that is so comfortable. The design of this knife is so nice. This is a pretty new knife and they've been selling out. I've been wanting to put my hands on it for a while to test it out, see how it feels. That's amazing. Okay, how do we break the lock? There you go. Just pull on that a little bit. Or you just pull it to close. That's it. It definitely has two locks. 1, 2. Awesome. Another CRKT Booth multi-tool. So everybody have a corkscrew. Everybody needs one, right? Never know. Bottle opener. So that one is way high end, whatever you usually have in your kitchen for a couple of dollars. So there's the Booth design, 6,925 CRKT. I really like that knife for whatever your needs in the kitchen. Ooh, look at that one. Thought it would be a bottle opener. I guess we have one over here. So that's another little, like a foil knife. And all you have to do is just close it like that. Love it. How about Spidercore knife sharpener? Feels ceramic. You know how you can sharpen your knife with a mug? So I guess this is like a ceramic sharpener.